Hey guys, today's exciting video is revamping this pot. I made it very fun for the kids a little while ago last summer, and as you can see, that peat did not go well. So I have a few ideas. We're gonna lose some caulk, I don't know. Nobody likes, there's always gonna be somebody who's unhappy with how we say this word. We're going to use probably 5 of these. You can buy like a contractor's pack, and that's what we do. We just have paintball laying around because it's cheaper for us, and then you have it to do your bathtubs or whatever else you need. We're going to go ahead and use the Sunburst Yellow because it seems just right. The Crystallium, not sponsored yet, as Dad would say, yet. Here's the pot, and this is my idea. I hope you enjoy watching. Thanks for being here. If you like the video, please give us a like, thumbs up, and share with your friends and family. That would really help us out. We appreciate it. We're brand new here, and we're just trying to see if you guys enjoy this content, because I'm making these things and doing these things. Hey friends, today we're going to be doing some more magic. I have decided that this does not look good in here. So we have this beautiful gardenia we're going to plant. And then we're going to make, with this puppy paint and this marker, we're going to make some bees for this honey pot. Let's get to it. I'm going to cut this out first to give myself some room. Sorry. Don't worry guys, I moved another one out front, so it's going to be okay. kind of exciting. You can see a lot of other life happening in this planter. This is, look at that orchid. Get in real close there. Can you see that cute little flower? It's a cute little orchid bulb. And then here are some gladiolas coming in soon. And I forget what these things are called, but they are vibrant here because we're so humid. So if I trim these all, deadhead all of this, these will come back and be vibrant again. Probably should have left this one, but it's okay. Okay. Next. How am I gonna do these? Good question. I was thinking, you know what? Pause. Let me wash my hands. Yeah. It's gross when I am. Okay friends, this is the Opu number 2 here. I tried the same stuff that I am gonna either try in a later video, or this might be the same stuff that is in a video that's coming out, but this is not gonna work. I thought I could trim it and shape it to look more like honey, but that is not what's happening here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull all this off that I actually put on here already. Try to pull this off. And try again with this caulking. Might need to go get myself a knife. But I'm kind of stubborn. Any of you who know me. And in my story, you know that I have been through the ringer. I've had brain surgery and all kinds of craziness happen in my life, and I do not quit. If you quit, then you're not living anymore. Okay, so there's that. Now, here's the other one that you couldn't see until you took that off. That was also not working for me. Where I tried this right here, this gray stuff. Does anyone know what that might be? Yep, it's cement. I tried a cement, and that did not go well for me. So, I think that's probably level enough. Maybe this one last chunk. And we can get going.